I have something for you. You ready to get Cursor for free?
Looking for hot water.
This is not clickbait. While I make this video, I'm going to show you how to do it.
If you really want some hot water, I can help you find it.
And this is no joke. You guys have a chance to get Cursor for life for free. Follow these steps.
Well, if they catch me around, you're playing rock the boat, I'm gonna catch hell. And if you're throwing your voice in bed singing a note, I'm gonna catch hell. I know it. Yes, sir. Try and catch me.
And if it doesn't work, generate another one. So we're gonna go do another one.
Tricky. Yeah. If you're getting tricked and lying to yourself, you're gonna catch hell. And if you're testing God, lying to his face, you're gonna catch hell. Come on.
There we go. New email.
That's it.
I'm sorry, I was recording this video a few times, so there's many versions of this.
Yeah, they're gonna catch you.
And look, you need a code? Go back to the email. Boom. There's your Cursor code. Just like that, guys, you get Cursor for free for life. You never have to pay for it. And as the song ends, I'm going to show you. So in retrospect, you can, we'll go back to sign in, and I'll just sign in. And I'll sign in with my account, password that I set. You're going to get a lot of these Cloudflares. It's kind of the way around it. Just like that, you get unlimited Cursor for free for life. And I just saved you guys a lot of money. So subscribe, hit that button. And I'm going to be trying to find as many little tricks as I come across them. And I'll be posting them. Don't you worry. And if you guys want to see what I'm working on, come join my project. My project is called The Only Prompt. And you guys can see that right here. The only prompt. Pretty much what it is, you can design a complete SaaS in one single prompt. And it's inspired by Mac OS. Go check out the channel, hit that sub button, you can see all about this project. It's got everything on here. You got a builder. You have, we're going to open that up. You do your cores. Accept your cores. And verify access. And you refresh your page. You got the builder. One prompt. I'm not even going to bother with that. You guys can figure this one out on your own. And let me show you. We have everything in here. You got proposal generators. You got about us. You could play music in here if you really wanted to. So I'll let you guys find this out on your own. Hit that sub button, guys, and I can't wait to see you. And thank you.